This simple system will fix your money forever. I need you to hear that headline for what it actually is. Not advice, not education, not a gift. It's a trap. And if you're between 18 and 25, you are exactly who that trap is built for. Because you're new to money. You're probably stressed about it. And you desperately want someone to just tell you what to do. I get it, I've been there. But today, we're going to do something those videos never do. We're going to pull the curtain back, show you exactly how that content is designed to manipulate you, and then give you the actual foundation that builds real financial stability. No system, no secret, no 497 course. Let's go. Let's break down that headline word by word, because every single word is doing something to your brain. This implies specificity. It implies you're about to receive something. It creates the feeling of being let in on a secret. You lean in. Simple. This is the most dangerous word in personal finance content. Simple is what you want to hear when you're overwhelmed. And these creators know you're overwhelmed. Because being young and broke and confused about money is genuinely overwhelming. But here's the truth. Money isn't simple. It involves your income, your expenses, your debt, your taxes, your mental health, your job security, your goals, your family, your emergencies. Anyone who calls that simple is either lying to you or selling you something that only feels simple until it doesn't work. System. A system sounds like software, like something you plug in and it runs itself. The word is designed to make you feel like there's a mechanism you've been missing, and once you have it, everything clicks. Real finance doesn't work like that. It's not a system. It's a set of ongoing decisions you make for the rest of your life. Fix. Your money isn't broken. You aren't broken. The word fix implies there's something wrong with you that needs correcting, and that this creator holds the correction. Forever. The word forever in a finance headline should make you immediately suspicious. Nothing in personal finance is forever. Your income changes. Your expenses change. The economy changes. Anyone promising a permanent solution is selling fantasy. So what's actually happening when you see a headline like that? You're being sold a feeling, the feeling of relief, the feeling that somewhere out there, someone figured it out, and they're about to tell you. And that feeling, it's worth a lot of money to a lot of creators. The result? A multi-million-dollar content machine built on repackaging free, publicly available financial advice, and selling it back to the people who can least afford to pay for it. Want to be clear, this isn't your fault. You're being targeted for specific, calculated reasons. Reason 1, you're financially new. If you're 18 to 25, you probably didn't get a real financial education in school. Most schools don't teach it, so you arrive into adulthood with income, expenses, and debt, and zero training. That gap is a market. And these creators fill it. Reason 2, you grew up on influencer culture. You've spent years watching people perform aspirational lifestyles on social media. The line between someone sharing advice and someone selling a product has been intentionally blurred for your entire online life. These finance creators are just the latest version of that. Reason 3, your financial stress is real. Student loans, rent, entry-level salaries, the cost of living. These are genuinely hard things. When someone offers a simple system to fix all of it, of course that's appealing. The stress is real, so the promise of relief feels real too. Reason 4, algorithms reward extreme claims. Here's how compound interest works over 30 years doesn't go viral. This one system changed my financial life does. The platform incentivizes hyperbole, and creators follow the incentive. You're not just a consumer, you're engagement. Data. Okay, here's the part where I give you what those videos promise but never actually deliver. And I want to be honest with you up front. This isn't a system. It's not simple, and it won't fix your money forever, but it will build real, lasting financial stability if you do it consistently over time. Foundation 1, know your numbers. Before any strategy, you need to know 3 things. How much comes in each month after tax? How much goes out? Every category. The difference between those 2 numbers